Greetings everyone. So let's get into the tutorial. The first thing you should do is to go to where you save the PNG file, and you make sure you unzip the file and then go and select the mockup PSD and then copy the PSD mockup file out of the zip file and then paste it to where you can easily locate it. Once that is done, you go and switch your data on and then go to your Chrome or browser app and search for www.photopea.com. This is the website where we'll be editing and creating the 3D logo. Then once you are there, you go to Files and click on Open. You will now go to your downloads, because where I save the PSD file is in my downloads. Then you go to your downloads and then click on the PSD file that you saved, which is this one. Then you wait and allow it to load. Remember, this is using data too, so it will upload first, and then once it uploads, it will show, and then we'll start working on it. Let's wait. Okay, it has uploaded. It has loaded. Then you go to Layers, which is located at the corner of this place. You go to Lay. Then on the logo, you click on it twice. Once you click on it twice, you wait for a new layer to show. The layer is shown. Then you cover the eye icon. You press that eye icon so that logo will be hidden, so it will not interfere with what you are doing. Then you go to File again. This file. Go there. Click on Open and Place. You click on Open and Place. Not Open. Click on Open and Place. Here. Then you go to Downloads. You search for the logo PNG that we've already created before with using pixellab or Textoon app. So let's look for it. Yes, I see it here. Then you wait for it to load. The loading, how fast it loads depends on the network. If your network is fast, then it will load faster. As it has loaded now, the points at the corner are the places where you can hold and drag in order to increase the size of the PNG or reduce it. See the points here, 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 and here. You can click any of these points to increase or reduce the size. Then you click on Save Smart Objects, which is here. Click it and then you wait for it to load, to save. Once it's saved, they will write it on top that the smart object has been saved. But I pause the video so you will not see it. The smart object has saved. Then you will now as the smart object has been saved, now you will now move on to the next thing, which is to go to layers here, or click on 3D glass. You can click either of these two, but just click them once. If you are clicking 3D glass, just click it once. If it's lace you want to click it once. Either of these two, you click anyone once and then wait for it to load. It has updated. As you can see, the logo is now updated. Then you now have to go and save this file. You go to this place, file, click on export as, then save as JPG. Then you want to increase the quality to 100%. Increase it to 100%. Then you click save, and then and wait for the image to download. Yes, download. The image has been downloaded. Let's view it. And this here is the finished work. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.